Hi friends, I hope you all are having a wonderful Sunday. Sunday is always nice, right? It's a fun day. We all are looking forward to Sunday. Every single day we count down. How many more days to go for next Sunday? And many of us I know, start feeling depressed by the end of the day on Sunday because now they know, it's inevitable and Monday is going to come in the next few hours. And then it's one more week of that miserable, torturous journey. And most of us blame the job that we have, the organization we have, or the people that we have around, in our workplace for that misery that we feel. But really, friends, is that really the case? Because if that was a misery, then people who don't have a job should have had a happy life, right? Now you may say, no, but I need the money that, that the job gives. Yes, so you have made that choice, right? See, you and me are completely reflections of the choices that we have made. So we have made a choice and created the life today that we are leading. So a series of choices that we have made over a period of time has brought us where we are. And if we are in a miserable state, then it is the result of the choices that we have made. And if you want to get out of that misery, changing job or just, changing your partner or changing something is not going to give you that result. You need to understand certain things and make the right choices at least starting now so that you create a life of your choice starting tomorrow. Now, what do I mean by this? Let me explain to you, right? See, the thing is, whatever game we are going to play, we need to at least understand the rules of the game. We need to understand what that game is before we go and participate, right? That's the same with life. We all are so-called living our lives. Although I don't know how many of us are really living and how many of us are really just existing and surviving. Anyhow, so we are living our lives, but we really have no clue about what life is. Now, that's a problem, isn't it? So we are playing a game without understanding what the game is, what are the rules of the game, who is the referee, etc., etc. That's one problem. Number two. Now, if we are choosing a game to play, we normally try to understand, what would be the best characteristics of a player in that game so that we just don't get playing that game, but we can become a winner in that game. So we need to understand first ourselves and our characteristics so that we know, where can we be winners, what's the kind of game that we should select, and not just the game, but in the game, what is the kind of position where we will be best suited. Now this is what is probably called as, becoming self-aware. So know your strengths and weaknesses, know your characteristics, know your nature, and then talking about how to align your life purpose. So basically, your inherent qualities are already given as an indication by life, by your creator, to give you a hint about what is the best position in the game for you to play. So what is the role that you will be best suited to play in this life? So once you figure that out, then the easiest thing that you have to do is to align yourself, after understanding yourself, with your purpose in life, and then take things forward. Now the fourth important thing, so first one, understand life. Next, understand yourself. Third, understand your purpose in life and align yourself to that. Fourth and the final one, I would say, is really to learn how to become a leader of yourself. Right? So what I mean by this, whenever we try to understand ourselves, we will see that we have certain strengths and we have certain weaknesses. Strengths we need to play upon, but we still need to know where, when, and how. Second, we need to know if we have weaknesses. There are certain kinds that we need to work upon, improve, and use it in the game. And there are certain ones that probably doesn't matter, but we should not allow them to become obstacles in our game. So we still need to manage them. So once you learn about yourself and know how to manage your strengths and weaknesses, that's called leading yourself. And once you are a leader, once you know what position you should play and what's the game you're playing, believe me, nobody can stop you from being the winner of your life. Not only will you be winning in your life, but you will be bringing a lot of joy and trophies to everybody around you, your family, your community, your country, to the entire humanity. Now, don't we all want to do that? And if some of us aspire to become leaders for others, you know what? You will become a natural leader for others if you end up doing this. You lead yourself and start living this life, and everybody, believe me, around you who gets to see you, meet you, would want to know what have you done to lead a life that you are leading, because everybody wants to lead that life. When every single day of the week feels like a fun day is Sunday. So you will be a natural, people-chosen leader. You don't have to make any extra effort for that. If I'm making sense and you're wondering, wow, so okay, where do I get started? How do I get to know what is life? How do I get to know about myself? How do I know what's my real purpose in life? And how do I learn to lead myself? Then I am bringing you a workshop next Sunday, 15th of July at Jayanagar in Bangalore. It's a Sunday and you just have to spend 3 hours in this introductory workshop from 9:30 to 12:30 with me. And I will share with you everything that I know so that you can get started with this journey of life. Participation fee is only 500 rupees per participant, and anybody who is 15-year-old and above is welcome to attend. So what are you waiting for? Write to me at coacharchana@gmail.com or archana@consciouslivingcenter.in and get yourself the registration form and all the details so that you can join me this Sunday, 15th July from 9:30 to 12:30 and make the change in your life so that you know how to make the right choices and get the life of your dreams. So I really look forward, friends, to see some of you. Don't wait. There are limited seats only. So go ahead right now and write to me so that you can register for the event. And those of you who are not close to Jayanagar, you're very far, or you're not in Bangalore and want a similar program to be conducted at your place, you can also write to me and we will work out a way how I can come there and do the event or do an online event for you and your friends and family. So all of you continue having a wonderful, wonderful Sunday and look forward to seeing some of you next Sunday with me. Bye-bye. Ciao.